Mitsubishi Outlander, new model. Release the parking first. Okay, release the parking. Open the computer. So is releasing for the rotor disc, brake caliper releasing. This is the modem.
Dito sa dito sa EBS tapos pag-click mo yan
Aritas EBS. Okay,
tapos hihingi siya ng password. Yan,
so password.
ganun mo, i-click mo itong 188 tapos yan, i-type mo na itong ano buntag mas i-click mo rin ito yan ganyan. Okay.
Okay.
Yan. Dito sa
Special function. Then learning. Click. And wait the check the start brake pads replacement. Click. And okay, so make it sure the motor is function, so they have a sounds with the sound stop. After that one, okay, only that one.
Pasukin natin.
Sige, pasukin natin. Adi, nag-release naman ka. Okay ra?
Ayan o.
Okay. So,
I-ano mo yan pagka ano.
pagkatapos na.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Okay na.
Now, still blinking now, blinking. Because it is a release. Okay. Pull out the connector wire, connection wire. Now, make it exit. Finish. So now this is a Mitsubishi Outlander, the new one. So need to replacing. Also make it release the piston. This one. Use the electronic one. So use the computer. Release. So the brake pads is no good, so metal to metal. So not good. Also make it replacing. All the na-install the new brake pads, so this is the part number. So this is already finished to replacing. So now put the brake caliper, so the piston, put the new brake pads. Now it's already finished to put the rotor disc and the brake pads.